Have you ever wanted to create a cinematic scene with 3D characters, but the thought of using complicated software and expensive production hardware made you give up on your idea? Well, worry no more because Wonder Studio AI has a solution for you. The Game Changer. Wonder Studio AI is an AI powered tool that automatically animates, lights, and composes CG characters into a live action scene. And the best part? You only need a camera to bring your vision to life. No more mocap or complicated 3D softwares required. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go and subscribe it. And don't skip the video if you really want to reveal the best AI tool of all time. But this tool is not for everyone. You need to request the access. If they grant you the access, you can use it. Now let's explore this website, the game-changing tool. This is the demo. You can watch. This is just 2 minutes video. If you want to watch, just watch it through the website. The effortless workflow. With Wonder Studio, you don't have to work shot by shot. Simply upload your CG character model to one shot or entire scene, and the system will automatically detect cuts and track the actor throughout the sequence. And you also don't have to worry about heavy frame-by-frame VFX work, as the system automatically detects the actor's performance based on a single camera footage. Wonder Studio offers advanced features such as body motion capture, facial animation, hand motion capture, advanced retargeting, and dynamic lighting. The system transfers the actor's performance to the CG character of your choice, creating a seamless blend of live action and animation. Wonder Studio automates 80 to 90% of objective VFX work and leaves the artist with the remaining subjective work, which can be exported into the software they already use. This tool also allows you to export individual elements such as motion capture, character pass, alpha mask, clean plate, camera track. These are the founders you can see here. Creating science fiction worlds is made so easy with Wonder Studio. Assign multiple characters to your scene and let the AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on your creative storytelling. Wonder Studio also offers dynamic camera and lighting features that can take your scene to the next level. With Wonder Studio, you can seamlessly compose your unique stylized character in any live action shot. You can also upload your own 3D model or use some of the free characters from the artist community. ASC the robot, Sam the alien, Bob the animal, Sandy the professor, and the Beastie board. This one is really cool. This one is really cool. It's fantastic. The studio makes hard VFX shots a thing of the past. With its advanced features and effortless workflow, you can create cinematic scenes with ease. Let's see how it will transform the ideas into reality. And yes, it definitely is a very innovative and useful tool for artists and filmmakers who want to create complex VFX shots without having to go through the tedious process of frame-by-frame animation and heavy VFX work. It can save a lot of time, effort, and resources and allow artists to focus on their creation and storytelling. That's it for now. I hope this video finds you well. If you have any question or comments, please leave them down below.